Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing today? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this 10-inch learning tablet from Contixo Kids. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech family. Comment down below if you think this is a neat tablet. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty. So this is a 10-inch learning tablet from Contixo Kids. They did send this out to me, so shout out to them for sponsoring the video. This is preloaded with top-rated educator-approved content, and this is what you get right here. The presentation is really nice, guys. As you can see here, this is preloaded with award-winning kids apps. I believe this is a 2 GB laptop, 10 inches. It does have a nice case to it. It's got a front and rear camera, 32 GB of storage is on board, 2 gigs of RAM, 4,500 milliamp battery, Bluetooth 4.0, and Android 10 Go OS on board. And it is preloaded with award-winning kids apps. So has a stylus, that nice case, and comes in these 4 colors. So we're going to take a look at what she actually looks like. There you go. This is your packet of information that nobody reads, but you know, it's got to be included there. That's that right there. The actual tablet itself, and this is the accessory little packet right here. So, and let's see if it comes with the charging brick, stuff like that. It does come with the nice stylus for the kids' hands, you know. Nice with that. Let's see what else you get here. You get a charging cable in a bag there. Kind of odd, but I like it. And then you get your Contixo charging brick. So far, I can tell you right now, just from the sheer amount of tablets that I bought Little John in the past, that this looks like it's going to be really sturdy, because I bought him some other ones that just out of the box it just feels like, you know, not that good, and then you can easily slip off the case and all this stuff. But this one definitely, I like it. Oh, so it actually has a nice screen protector, looks like, already on board, and you can just take that off. So this is what it looks like without the screen protector there, and it's actually got plastic on both sides to protect it during shipping. It's got 2 speaker grills right there, 1 speaker grill there, 1 speaker grill there. Let's see what else it's got. So USB Type-C, always nice to see on new products. Your microSD card slot, and then you got your headphone jack, power button, and volume button right there, or rocker as people like to say. Let's go ahead and put this back into the thing, but I just want to show off, this is really nice. Really nice. One of the better ones that I've seen so far. Some of them are just like an X on the back and it doesn't even like cover half the thing. So this is nice. I guess you can just leave on the second part. No, actually, let's take this part off, because yeah, let's go ahead and take that off. Alright. There we go. Take that off right there. Let's put it back in the thing, and then let's go ahead and power this puppy up and see what it looks like when you first power it on. I'm gonna do this all in one continuous shot, guys, so let's go ahead right there. Boom. First time powering it on. I like the sides, it's got nice grip to it. Okay, it's a nice little it's a nice little. Okay, it's nice. So let's go ahead and bring the camera down a bit. Just a sec. Okay. We'll just set it up offline. Continue. Sure. Google services. Okay. Accept. Just bring you guys down a little bit more. Screen lock. Don't need that, so we can just skip it. Skip anyway. I'm liking it so far, man. And it's got 97% battery life on there. So it comes pretty much fully charged, ready to go, looks like. And that is your home screen right there. So there is nothing on either side. Wow, that comes preloaded. That is really nice. That is really nice. So let's go ahead actually and input the let me go ahead and put my Wi-Fi thing on real quick. So yeah, just like I said, just like from handling with Cubby and all these other different tablets that I've gotten around with Little John around, among the years or whatever, dude, this is already a win for me in my book. Like, I can highly recommend this one, you know, instead of the other ones that I've seen. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and see what comes on board here. 101 Kids Puzzle, 7th grade math learning games assistant, barnyard animals, barnyard games, barnyard puzzles. This is, dude, this is really nice, man. So I like the fact that it actually comes with a whole bunch of games just already factory included, and you can just jump on in. Because you know you get the Leap Pad, the Leapfrog, and VTech tablets, and you get the Kitty Buzz. They don't have anything on board, and you're gonna have to spend the Christmas day or holiday or whatever you're doing setting it up for the kids, and then it's not even, you know. So let's just watch a Mr. I don't know.
You fall down. The dancer falls down.
So
I recreated every single set from Squid Game.
oh, you got Mr. Beast. Look at that, man. Quality 1080p. Dude, it's 1080p, man.
Real life, and whichever one of these 456 people survives the longest wins 456 grand.
So
The first game we're going to play is red light, green light, and they have 30 minutes to cross the red line on the other side of the huge room. So without further ado...
yep, so it's got dual speakers on it. It's got dual speakers on it right there. Obviously, it's got a camera on either side, front facing and rear facing. So let's go ahead and take a look at the camera. I mean, you know, you're not going to get the best camera shot in the world, I know that, but you know, let's go ahead and take a look here at something. I'll just take a shot. We'll just bring that into frame and take a shot of that. Hold on. Let's bring the camera up. Okay, so there you go. Let me just take a shot of that real quick. That's what that looks like right there. So yeah, obviously you're not going to take pictures with this thing for sure. I mean, who who goes out and takes like pictures for social media with a kid's tablet? You know, it's just there, you know, in case you have some apps or needs or whatever like that. So let's see here, YouTube. Oh, let's see here. No thanks. Nursery rhymes, okay. You can start your free trial there, okay. Let's not do that. So you got nice nursery rhymes, you got Kids Place, you got, look at this, man. You got just tons and tons of things that kids can just click on and get into right away. Rozzy Mozzie. 6th grade learning game. Look at that. Boom. Tap. Oh, so this is, oh, it's kind of like Flappy Birds. Oh god. Oh.
Use absolute values to solve this equation.
Oh my god. Divided. What the heck?
Keep trying.
Damn. I messed up. Dang. That's pretty rough, man. Oh no, go down, go down, go down, go down. Alright. Tablet,
The castle's under attack, protected by matching the definition to the correct word.
Okay. Totally without skill or appropriateness.
Nice.
Alright, let's go. Big, clumsy, slow. Oh.
Nice.
Alright. To keep with set limits, restrict.
Nice.
Very large or great. Immense.
Awesome.
To give a false or untrue idea. Perfect.
Right.
Embarrassed or timid. Sheepish. Look at that. Ovation.
Correct.
Oh my god, not movable. Immovable. Oh.
Right.
Sprite is coming for me, bro. Portray. Depict.
Correct.
Alright. Anyways. I think you guys have seen enough to tell that this is going to be a good tablet. I'm going to have all links to the description down below so you can go ahead and take a look and possibly buy the tablet, but this has been my review. I like it. There's nothing much more to say about it, I guess. We could take a look at some settings, I guess. You know, for those of you that are intrigued about that part, we can go ahead and bring you guys in a little bit, and we'll go ahead and take a look there. Device name, Android 10 version 10. You know, it's not gonna, I'm assuming that it's not gonna, you know, win any awards for being, you know, the best tablet out there, whatever the case may be, but let's go ahead and look for storage. So 7.42 gigabytes used of 32 gigs. Tell me down in the comments below, would this be good for, what age range do you think this would be good for a kid? You know, would it be good for, you know, 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old, 10-year-old? Up to what age do you think this would be a good tablet to be used? You know, I think just being on the internet and browsing the internet and, you know, YouTubing and stuff like that. I mean, what else do you really want out of a tablet in this price range? Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. Hopefully, you know, this review swayed you either way to buy it or not buy it. I'm saying thumbs up for sure. I mean, I can't really find anything too wrong with this tablet, to be honest with you. I will let Little John play around with it, and I'll give you guys, you know, like a 1 week or 2 week feedback and see how he does with it. But, like, I don't know. Seems good to me. Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave them likes. Peace out.